Descartes safety, we aim for two specific things, and those two features are change driver behavior and protect the motor carrier. We protect the motor carrier by ensuring that your drivers are completing their training as needed. One of the biggest headaches for motor carriers is when they have somebody providing safety content to their drivers is they rely on their operations team to follow up with those drivers. As an operations manager, you don't really care about safety as much. Your job is just to move freight or to move objects. What we do is when your drivers log in the morning, their first task is to complete their safety. Whether it's proactive or reactive safety, they can't get around that. It provides protection because if they're involved in a major accident, when those plaintiff attorneys come for training records, it's going to show that that driver has completed every single lesson. The other side is reactive, which is almost more important. So you have motor carriers today that have camera systems mounted in their truck facing in and out. And if you have a history of a driver that has been texting and driving, and you have all these video events documenting that this driver is doing this, but you do nothing about it, when you land in court, that's really, really dangerous for you as a carrier. What we do is we will automatically send reactive training content to that driver, and it will correct that driver's actions. It's going to let the driver know why that behavior is so dangerous. So it's going to ensure that the driver's learning what he's doing is wrong, and it's also going to protect that carrier.
We can look at those videos to see, is there a situation, if an accident did occur, was it the driver's fault? Just because an accident happened doesn't mean it's always the driver's fault. Did something distract the driver? Was there a piece of equipment that was malfunctioning that we can see? During those times of high stress, your memory is scattered at times. So when we can look at the hard data, it really helps us have a more educated conversation with our team for growth and improvement.
Richards has been able to use the Geotab data and Dashcam footage to exonerate our drivers. And we look at this footage often if we've had drivers that have been accused of something, and we've used that data and footage to exonerate the drivers. And the drivers are actually excited and know that we use that footage to prove that they were not at fault. You know, the drivers are hesitant sometimes to get this technology in their trucks, but once we show what it's there for, they're excited about it.
Another feature is that we will design customized content for you so that it's relevant to your drivers. If you're a driver that's driving a CDL vehicle, you don't want to watch some safety training video about car safety. What's really nice is our message to safety directors or VPs of safety is, hey, take a look at our 300 plus videos we have. If there's something in our library that we don't have, we'll come film it for you. And then we'll then be able to send that out to your drivers.
The biggest impact for us on the technology we're putting in place is first and foremost the customer impact. We are seeing customer satisfaction, customer visibility. They know exactly where their delivery is, when it's going to be there, and what we actually delivered, and we've achieved that goal. The next for us in technology is efficiencies. So we're working on that now, and we've seen some increases in efficiencies, and we're looking to make that even better.